Good morning, everyone. Yeah, good morning, Akash. Akash, I just wanted you to share the screen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. One second, let me enable the screen sharing.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, now you can share.
Okay.
Just go to the booking API.
This is booking service only, sir.
Yeah, booking API.
Okay. Then,
So booking controller only. Yeah,
yes, sir. I'm closing all these. Hmm.
yeah. So here what we are actually doing, so we are actually, you know, sending the booking details over here, correct? And then
Yes.
we are calling the booking service. Go to the create booking directly. Yes. So here, once you go to the create booking, this is old code only, right? I need Kafka.
No, sir. I have not implemented CAP as of now.
Okay, but I have sent the application, right?
Yes, yes. You send the application, sir. But due to some
Can you just,
office work, I am not able to
okay,
work
can
on
you
that.
just import it right now by downloading it? It's very simple.
Okay.
Yeah, because I need to explain the flow.
Okay. Already downloaded.
Telegram. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, yeah.
I already downloaded.
No, I think you need to extract it first.
Yes. Extracted. I extracted. Extracted.
Okay, then import that.
One by one, we need to import. Booking.
Directly the folder. Directly the folder. No, no. Go, go,
From here
go, go
also.
back, go back, go back. No, no, don't do that. Go
Okay,
back,
okay.
go once. Now
Hmm.
open this complete folder. Yeah.
Hmm. I implemented one service, sir, for that notification and
Hmm.
sent it the email also.
Okay, you have
Sent
done.
the email. Yes, yes, sir. But it's normal service only, not in Kafka. And
Okay. Yeah, go to the booking service. Yeah, don't expand that much.
yeah,
Just minimize it. Yeah. Yes. I think you need to add this as a Java Maven project. Go to the pom.xml of the booking service. Can you just right click on this? It is actually taking some time. For one second. It's basically resolving the dependencies in the bottom. 1 second.
yes, yes.
Let's wait for some time. Yeah, I think it is now up. Yeah, now go to the APIs. booking API. Yes. Yeah. So here it has entered into the booking API with details.
Mhm. Create booking.
Go to the create booking.
Control Alt B.
Control Alt P. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Mm, 1 second. Why it is not? Can I just okay, 1 second, 1 second. Restart your ID for now. Can you just restart this?
Mm. Is there any restart options
No,
or
no.
direct exit?
Yeah. Directly exit and restart. That's it.
Hmm.
Yeah, open this again.
Mm.
1 second, it is scanning the files. Why there is an error in this one? Did you change anything or
No, no, no.
right?
I didn't change anything, sir.
Okay, let me see mine. Okay, just click on that starting dependency. No, no.
Where, sir?
We have declared the booking service Kafka publisher, right? Go to that. Yeah. Why it is giving error? See that? This is simply a class, right? You can just
Yes.
create class booking service Kafka publisher. Why this is not there? Can you just go to the Kafka publisher? Why, man? You deleted it or how it is like?
I think while extracting only it is not
Yeah,
extracted
maybe
properly, I think.
extracted it properly. So
Hmm.
you need to use 7-zip and use the option extract here. Otherwise, it will not be. Okay. Let me
Okay.
share my screen anyhow.
Okay.
Okay. So here, what simply I can do. So here there is a booking API. So here we are calling the create booking method, and here can you see this? So here, sorry. So here, if I just go to this, here we are actually creating the booking entity first, and then we are saving the booking entity with the booking status as pending. Okay. So now after this, we are going to set the booking ID and the booking status. But why we are actually sending this? Because if you just see the payment service, payments table, we need to see the payments for which booking ID it has been done and for which booking details, correct? So for that reason, I'm setting the booking ID over here itself in the booking service, and then I'm actually publishing the details to the Kafka topic, right? So what is the Kafka topic? The payment request topic is the Kafka topic. Now, once I send this booking DTO details, right, through the Kafka template to the Kafka, now what is going to happen? So here we are actually converting this as a string because we need to send the data in the form of strings only or Avro model to the Kafka topic. Okay. So now we are actually using the string as the string name as the topic name, the initial topic name that we are going to give over here. And this acts like as a key inside a Kafka template. And what is the value? The value is the data that we are going to store inside this payment request topic. Okay. So first we are actually doing this. Once we actually do this, there is something called payment service. Yeah. So here, there is a publisher, correct? So once it actually sends the data to the payment request topic, so in the payment service, there will be a listener for this payment request topic itself. Okay. So it continuously listens to this topic. And if there is any data, then probably that data will be copied to this variable, to the method variable. So we need to take the same thing over here, the string data only as a parameter, so that the listener will initially, copy the data, whatever was stored inside the payment request topic to this bookings JSON. Okay. And the next thing is, so if you just, so here we are actually receiving the details from the payment request topic. And then we are actually using the object mapper dot read value. And here we are actually passing the bookings JSON, right? And converting that to the DTO, because in the payment service, we need to pass DTOs, not the strings. Now, if you just go to this process payment, we are actually taking the booking DTO, and then here we are actually creating a payment entity in order to save the payment status as pending initially, and then set the payment amount and the booking ID, and then we are just saving it with the pending status of the payment also. Now, after that, what we are actually doing, we are actually making a call to the make payment, and then we are actually, adding all this charge params, and then charge.create. And then once the payment is successful, we are actually setting the booking status as confirmed. And if it is failed, then probably we are going to set the status as cancelled. Okay. So now once I get the booking DTO, right? So we are actually setting the payment entity, which is already saved in the first go at line number 39. We don't have to save it again. Once we set it, this data will be reflected into the database because it is annotated with the transactional. And here I'm going to set the payments timestamp. And here, based upon the booking status, whatever we made it over here at this line or at this line, any of this will come. So here, based upon the confirmed status, we are actually setting the payment status as approved or the payment status as failed. Now, again, once what we need to do, we need to give the response back to two different services in order to send a notification mail and in order to change the booking status, which was initially stored or saved with booking status as pending, right? So here I'm actually using payment service Kafka publisher. Previously, the payment service was acting like a consumer over here. And now it is acting like a publisher over here because it has to publish the data with this booking status as well, right? So here what it actually does, it is actually going to publish the booking details to the payment response topic, and this is the payment response, and we are actually converting that to string data again. Now, once this payment response topic gets the data, that means there has to be a listener inside the booking service. And if you just go over here, the payment response topic and the payment response group ID, that means this is the subscriber one. And basically it is going to receive the same booking JSON. And here we do have a booking service where we are going to call the process booking method. And here it actually receives the booking DTO. And here we are actually finding that booking entity with the booking ID. And then once we got that booking entity, since it is annotated with at the rate transactional, since this is a database entity, we can set the booking status directly from the booking DTO and we can set the status. So initially it will change the booking status from pending to confirmed over here. And parallelly, so this is booking service Kafka listener, right? For the payment response topic, correct? Now, what happens if you just go to the notification service? We do have something called a Kafka listener where we do have a payment response topic again. And this is group ID 2. Okay. So since for payment response already there is one subscriber, which is a booking service. So notification service has to use a different group ID, which is acting as a second subscriber. Now what happens over here? Booking service will do its job individually and notification service will send an email notification individually. So both are both these bookings. That means booking service will run parallelly and notification service also runs parallelly. That means both are going to run at the same time once it actually receives the data from the payment response topic. So that's the total idea and how it is actually interacting with the the remaining kind of things, right? So basically, the booking service states changes the state from pending to confirmed, and the notification listener is going to send an email notification. Okay. So that's the total idea. This is how it actually works. But here, what you need to do inside the notification, I have asked you to use a Java Mail API to send notification. Okay. And also, if you just see this pom.xml, we have added the Spring Boot starter mail. Okay. Yeah, Suresh.
Yeah, I was just trying to see whether I can run on my machine and see whether it runs fine.
Okay. Share your screen.
Okay, 1 second.
Okay. The next class will be on Wednesday because I'm traveling to Canada this 31st evening. So I need to set up most of the things in Canada. So the next class will be on Wednesday. Okay. Yeah.
No, I just imported this project. Can you hear me?
Okay, just imported this project. Can you just first of all, I just wanted to see your understanding, what you understood. Okay.
Mhm. So the entire project, or you want to explain about? You want me to explain about the
Whatever I
customer?
have explained right now, right? So how, when we call the booking controller, how the flow goes and from where it goes and how it actually stores and who are the consumers for it and how it is doing the validations and all these kind of things. Right now, I have explained the one sequential flow, right?
Mhm.
The same way I need from your side as well.
Yeah, the starting point will be this booking service API. So here we have this, we are sending the booking DTO,
Mm,
where we'll have all the booking details.
right.
And we are calling this create booking
Mm,
service, create booking method of the booking service.
mm,
And here we are passing this DTO that has all the booking information.
right.
So once I go here, so this will have the implementation of saving this information to, it will call the repository and will save the information to the entity, like entity information to the database.
Right.
So when I go to the implementation here, so this is what it takes, it accepts the DTO booking information and all the fields values.
Yeah.
And it takes one additional field pending, because initially before once you submit, the status will be pending. So
Yeah.
it's add this information, and finally this will be like, we have some booking entity. So that's it has some, this is basically table,
Mhm.
and this information will be saved to, they will call the repository JPA repository, because this booking repository action JPA repository.
Mhm.
So we call the same method of JPA repository, and this information will be saved to
Okay.
database. So
Okay.
and yeah, and from there I will get the booking ID.
Mm,
Once this is saved, we will get the booking ID. So and this pending status. So you will set this booking ID and pending status,
right.
and finally this will be returned. Before this will be returned, but before returning, it will call the publisher.
Yeah.
So
It will
because we
just,
have to, yeah,
just
it has decided to
return to the
payment,
target,
right?
and then yeah, it returns. Yeah.
Yeah. So if you go here, So here it will call the what do you call this method?
Hmm.
Send method, because this all information has to be sent to the Kafka
Yeah.
topics. So we'll set for first parameter is the topic, the second parameter is the JSON, but it takes the string. So we convert into we call object mapper, convert the JSON into string,
Yeah.
and we'll pass it to the send method.
Hmm.
So in case of error, it will display the message.
Right.
So this is what to explain. So let's go back to So this is all about booking API.
Hmm.
Next is okay. So after publishing, right, there will be listener.
Yeah.
So now we have to go to payment.
Hmm.
So payment there will be we have to call the listener. So which will be probably will go to Kafka, and this is listener.
No, you need to go to the payment service listener.
Payments, okay, because payment service listener will be calling. Okay.
Publisher will be done, right? So
Correct. Yeah.
payment service will get loaded.
So we'll close this. Where is payment service listener? Okay. It will be inside this. Where is payment service listener? Okay, see here. Okay, that's first searching. So it will go to the listener under Kafka. This is the listener, payment service listener. So it will be listening any event, any message comes. So again here, this will be the topic name, and second is the group ID. So because every broker, I think this for listener, we need to pass the group ID. So here parameter will be this one, right? It's a JSON, booking details JSON.
First,
Okay,
we are
this is a string. So
the data in the form of string, so it will receive string only. Later on, it will
yeah,
convert
correct.
that
So
into pass it to your respective services. Yeah.
it will deserialize. Okay, so yeah, it will take the string, and here it will call this method, and here we are calling read value. So this here is converting it to JSON, and this is the booking DTO. Here is converting to
Actually
JSON.
converting that JSON string to the booking DTO so that we can call the process payment method.
Yeah, correct. So if you go here, so this is go to the implementation of this. So here what it's doing is it's taking this DTO, that booking DTO, and it's again saving this information with the pending status to payment this entity, payment entity. So this payment entity information will be saved to the database, and if the status is okay, so it's checking whether it's confirmed or approved or whatever. If it is processed, so it will call this method, make payment. So based on if the payment is successful, it will say confirm or approve or fail. Based in case of any error, it will say maybe I don't know what it's doing inside. So this has a big logic which okay. I don't know what is this method. Okay, it's taking the amount.
Doing a Stripe payment, right?
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I don't have a Stripe setup, but okay. But idea is like if it calls this, if it is successful,
Yeah.
okay, so it's confirm. If it is not successful, then in case of any error, it will say cancel.
Right.
So this is listener, and finally the status will be changed and it will be sent back to. Okay, then it will push. Then it will be published. Here again, we're calling publishers, so it will go here, and all this information along with the approved status. The booking DTO object will be passed here.
Yeah.
And internally, when you say, that it's not going okay. Okay. So now this has all the information along with the status confirmed or whatever is cancelled. So now this will be published. So it normally takes the two parameter topic and the second one is the string. So this will convert into a string and the send will publish the information to topic, payment response topic.
Yeah, and there are two subscribers. That means there are two listeners for it. One is in booking service and another one is notification service. So both the booking service both the booking service and the notification service will get invoked. The booking service will change the status from pending to confirmed, and notification service will send an email. That's what it is.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
So that is how the flow is actually going to work. But in real
Okay.
time, not only two subscribers or two consumers, we do have an hell number of services where there are, you know, 10 to 15 different Kafka listeners also to do parallel jobs or parallel processings. This is what we call parallelism. Okay, so here booking service and notification service will run parallelly. Both are not related to each other because there are two consumers. One is in booking service and another one is in notification service. So booking service and notification service will receive the data at the same time. Notification service will send a notification, and at the same time, booking service will change the status from pending to confirm at the same time.
So in that case, both application need to have publisher and listener, right?
No. I think notification service only is a listener. It's not.
Yeah, no, yes.
Yeah.
I'm talking about booking and payment system.
Booking and payment has to act like publisher and consumer.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, if you just wanted to add more publishers, you can add it, but there is no change in configurations in YAML file. That's it.
Okay, got it. So if you want to run this, just trying to see. I just went to that folder.
Yeah.
The infrastructure is there. Now I'm in this folder. So the first one you mentioned Docker Compose -f.
Yes.
Is this correct?
Yeah. Before starting that, can you just go to your no. So the Docker daemon is not recognized. Don't you have Docker desktop in your machine?
Yeah, I do have, but I'm not sure whether. Yeah, I have Docker installed. So here. Actually, it's hiding like at top. I can see this.
I think you can press Windows and start the Docker down directly. Windows button. Start the Windows button. Yeah.
Okay. Say Docker.
I said Windows button on your keyboard.
Yeah, got it. No, I have the shortcut right now. Let me. Yeah, it's there.
Can you just go to the... Okay, right now you have not run it, right? So this is the first time you are running it. Okay. Yeah.
I ran initially when you were teaching Docker's couple of things. So I can remove. Shall I remove this?
Well, I think no need. These are different containers, right? No problem.
Correct. It won't conflict. Yeah. So why saying that? Do you have?
Yeah, you can run that command, Zookeeper, Docker Compose.
Okay, 1 second.
Yeah.
Is this command correct? Docker Compose.
The Docker command itself is wrong. It is dock.
Oh, spelling. CKER, right?
If anyone don't know how to run this, can just learn from here, because you need to run it multiple times. I will also let you know what you need to do if you're restarting your Zookeeper or Kafka cluster. I think it will take a lot of time.
Okay. I think first time that might
Yeah.
take more time again.
Next
You want to
time,
carry on?
just delete the containers and then you can restart it. It will take very less time.
Okay. Do you want to take the control?
No. Okay, Akash Raju is raising one issue related to Docker. What is that, Akash?
Sir, it is about MySQL, sir. Connection refused, it is showing.
Connection refused.
But
Password, I
time
think.
Just use H2 database for now, okay? But because in
Okay.
real time we never use MySQL images provided by Docker. Okay.
But before adding the Eureka discovery, it was working, sir. After adding those things only, it is not working for me.
So maybe I need to see that. Okay. But
Hmm.
right now the better way is use embedded H2. That will be fine, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I will try with that.
Yeah. Because in real time we will never use MySQL. We will be using cloud databases only.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, this MySQLs have some issues related to Docker, but
Hmm.
I think in order to go through the flow, you can just use embedded H2. That will be the better way.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will try with that.
Yeah. Yeah, I think Zookeeper is up. Now you can open next terminal and run Kafka cluster. There is a plus option. There's a plus option on the top. Click on terminal. Yeah. Go to infrastructure. No. You have to go to infrastructure folder.
Okay. So Docker
Docker compose -F.
-F, and let's give
Type
Kafka cluster.
Kafka and press tab. Yeah. Up. No, you need to run up at the end.
Oh, shit. Can I run parallelly, like open another terminal and
No,
or
no,
try
you cannot
dependency?
run until this Kafka cluster is up and running.
Hmm.
If Kafka cluster is not up and running, you cannot be able to create topics also.
Yeah, that's correct. So in the organization, so like we have Kafka's server will be always up and running, right? We don't have to run
Yeah,
UK packet, UK.
they will never stop. The Kafka cluster will be always up and running only.
Hmm. Okay, just we need to define the publisher and
Yeah.
listener, right?
Neha, I'm going to provide my resume to you. You can just have a look at it and you can see whatever I have defined over there. Okay.
So do you have any certification related to microservices or anything that adds value to the resume?
No, I didn't get you.
Now, what I was asking is like, do we have any certification that we can do after the course completion? So that will add
Yeah, I
value
think
to our
better to do AWS certified developer course because even
AWS. But it's different, right? It's different from microservices. Correct.
see anyhow microservices related certification. I think you can do it using Spring Cloud or Spring. Okay.
Mhm. Okay.
Yes. There is a Spring Cloud certification also. You can also do.
Or maybe some Java certification we can do.
Sorry.
We can do some Java certification that will cover this also.
No. Java certification is different, right?
Oh, that's all basic
Yeah.
core Java.
Yes.
Correct. Okay. Takes a lot of time. So once you are once in Canada, right, your timing will be different, correct?
No. I think we will follow the same Indian timings. We will
Mhm.
have to change the session timings. Session timings will be same.
Oh, okay. Sounds
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, Om Prakash. So let me share my resume. Kept it somewhere. Yeah, so right now I'm giving the resume to all. You can just go through that. This is just a backend resume using Java and Spring along with AWS. I'm just sharing it in the chart as an attachment. I can just have a look at it. Okay, yeah. Hope everyone received the attachment. You can just see whatever the the responsibilities I have kept. Okay, so you can just see it for your idea. But for you, I think it will be different. I will tell you once the time comes.
What is the PMD, sir?
It's a
Integrated
tool.
code
It's a
quality.
tool to analyze
Similar to Sonar.
code quality.
So similar to Sonar or something.
Yeah, it's similar to Stoner, but it's a standalone tool.
Oh, okay. I think it's up now. That Kafka cluster is also up. So I can go to the third one. Right?
Yeah, no, let it up, let it up. It's not still up.
Oh, it is.
So whenever you see updating internal state, then only you need to understand that it is up and running. Otherwise, no.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, looks like you got
Yes,
disconnected.
it is yeah, it is.
It is. I need to connect back. So yeah, I just connected
Create the
back.
topics then.
I'm sorry. Yeah, saying updating
Yeah,
internal
yeah.
state.
No. It is actually running. It will continuously run for every second. You don't have to worry.
So when do we know it's up
So
and
it is
running?
already up. Updating internal statement, it is already up.
So now I can go to the third
Yeah.
terminal.
I can create the topics here.
So shall I run this Kafka YAML?
Check the spelling.
So deleting the topic, creating.
Yeah. Now
But
you can
this
go and check localhost 9000. So Neha Kumari. Okay. So it basically makes sense. See, right now, API call is really needed whenever we are going to call external systems. Okay. Let's say add a cluster, click on the cluster.
yeah.
Use some cluster
Okay.
name. Give your name also, it's fine.
Okay, my cluster.
And give the zookeeper cluster host, cluster zookeeper host. No.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Zookeeper, type zookeeper in the next, zookeeper :2181. There is the host on which it is running. Zookeeper.
Colon?
Not like that. Zookeeper. KEE. Or if you don't know that, go to the Kafka cluster and yeah, Z has to be small letter.
Oh, it should be small. Mhm.
2181.
2181. Okay.
Yeah. And save it. Come down. Go to the cluster view. No, 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 no. Yeah, go to my cluster. Yes. Click on the
Topic
topics.
4.
Yeah. So there initially some other topics will be created that is internal to Kafka, but our topics are payment request and payment response.
I can see that here. So go there.
Yeah, I think nothing will be there. There's some additional information about that. That's it.
But I need to see, I should be able to see the message, right?
Not here. We need to
Partic-
use the Offset Explorer to see the messages. But you cannot see the messages. It will be in serialized state.
But listener should be able to
Listener will
deserialize it.
deserialize the data.
Okay, so we can't see that.
No, we can't see the data. Okay.
So we can't see any data here.
No, here you cannot see. There is something called a tool, Offset Explorer tool, which you need to download in order to see their data.
So I download and see to see the data.
Yeah, you need to download that. I showed you that, right? Offset Explorer.
Offset Explorer.
Yeah.
Download.
Yeah. Go to the first one. There is a Windows 64-bit one. Download that. It is downloaded. It is downloaded. It is still downloading, Suresh.
Yeah, I'm waiting. Yeah, just
So meanwhile, everyone, the next class will be on Wednesday, right? So probably you can also go through Angular basics at least, so that when we start, it will be clear to everyone. Okay, so during this 2 to 3 days, you can just learn Angular from at least HTML, CSS basics, so that you'll be in a good way. Yeah, now install it.
So for Angular, sir, any recommendation you have? Any particular link that need to go to?
I think any of the YouTube videos are good, Suresh. I think I just wanted everyone to know the basics at least. That's it. And only see the latest videos, not 2 years back or 3 years back videos. Just 2 months ago or 6 months ago videos, you can see it. Okay. Yes, so Om Prakash, tell me.
Sir, hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, I am also looking for job. Okay, I am showing in my resume 2.6 year experience,
Okay.
and also I have given some 5-10 interview,
Okay.
and some of interview like in Nokia and this Micro Focus
Uh-huh.
in Infinite. I have cleared some two second round.
Okay.
But what happened in third round, actually, I don't have knowledge on I have not worked on any project.
Hmm.
So I am stucking in the Spring Boot mostly. Like they are asking for JUnit
Hmm.
test cases, and also like practical scenario they are asking. So I am stucking there.
Yeah. So
So
that's where, we need to work on the major project. There only you will be able to understand.
okay, okay.
Okay. Yeah, give the cluster name as my cluster, the same naming convention.
Sir, any suggestion like for to like this Spring Boot? How can I learn quickly?
No, don't add it. Go to the advanced option. Go to the advanced option. And in the Bootstrap servers, give localhost 19092, comma, localhost 29092,
29092.
yeah, and localhost 39092.
39092. All
Yeah,
okay.
click on add.
All
Click on add. Now open the cluster on the left side. So here will be your cluster, and here your brokers are there and your topics are there. So this is where partitions are there. So you can see in which partition there is a data field. Okay. So if you don't see the data, then probably click on the green color button. Okay. So right now there will be no data because we have not sent any data right now. Okay.
Mhm.
So there on the right side, there are something called messages oldest on the right side. There's something called messages oldest. You can see whatever newest or from specific offset. Offset is basically the message number inside a partition. Okay.
Say one,
Yeah. Okay.
nothing.
Yes, Om Prakash.
Yes, sir. So, is there any like, can you share some idea how I can like quickly learn this Spring Boot?
Huh?
Or is there any like YouTube channel or anything like so there I can get the this interview questions and I can learn.
Anyhow, I'll be conducting the interview sessions also, right? Don't worry, Om Prakash.
Yeah, sir. I was watching previous session. Actually, I have started late. Okay, 1.5, I think 1 month.
Okay.
So I was watching previous session. So you are taking the interview on core Java.
Yeah.
So I would like to.
Akash, let me tell you one. There is no quick way to learn quickly. Okay. So every time we need to go on a slow pace because if you read it quickly or if you just complete it quickly, by after 15 days or 20 days, you will not be able to run anything. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So it's better to go on a slow pace only. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, I would like to join this mock interview you are taking. So
Yeah, you can also join. What is the problem then?
next Saturday can I ready for this?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Okay, Suresh. Probably what you can
Yeah,
do,
thank you.
start
Yeah,
yourself
I'm not.
and you can send the data and you can observe what is happening in the partitions and all this kind of things. Okay.
Okay. But data will be sent automatically, right? Because this has all the details.
Yes.
Because you have the JSON.
No. See, you will not be able to see the data. This data will be serialized in terms of bytes here. Okay. You need to use a tool. There is something called a tool where it actually decrypts. I will also tell you that, but not right now. Okay. Just see how it
Yeah,
is.
sure.
Hmm?
Yeah, got it. Thank you.
Okay, guys. The next session will be on Wednesday itself. Okay. So meanwhile, I recommend everyone to go through HTML, CSS, and a little bit JavaScript, just the basics. Okay, not advanced. I think probably we will cover Angular from the next week, Wednesday itself. But before that, I just wanted everyone to do this Kafka exercise. And if you are facing any issues, kindly let me know. And Suresh, one more thing. So whenever you stop your Zookeeper and whenever you stop your Kafka clusters, right? So
Mhm.
the next time when you are starting the Zookeeper and Kafka cluster again, those will not run. Okay. Share your screen. I will tell you what needs to be done. So when you are running for the second time,
Mhm.
share your screen. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
Just,
sharing.
just go to the IntelliJ IDE.
Okay, 1 second. This is
Yeah,
different.
right click on the project.
This is different project. Just give me a second. Something is some crazy is happening now. So, yeah, okay. Mhm.
Just right click on the project and open in Explorer.
Mhm.
Yeah, so here go inside that. So go to the infrastructure. The next time when you are starting the Zookeeper or Kafka cluster again, so you have something called volumes, right? Go to the volumes. So here go to the Kafka. Go to the broker one. Yeah. So here you need to delete all the things and then only you need to restart it. Okay.
So I should stop first, and then I should delete.
No, it is not required right now. Okay. Just go to broker 1, broker 2, broker 3, delete all the things. And don't delete broker 1, broker 2, broker 3 folder. You have to delete inside the content.
Contents.
And go back to the volumes again. And go to the Zookeeper. And also don't delete data or transactions folder. Go inside the data, do Control A and delete. Okay, that's it. And go back to the
These two.
transactions. Yeah, only these two files. And go back to the transactions folder and do Control A and delete. So then only you can start your Zookeeper and Kafka, because what is happening? So once your Kafka cluster is up and running, the moment the next time it is up and running, right? So it is just going to create the same things. Offset 1, offset 2, offset 3 again. So because already they are there, right? But in real time, what is going to happen? They used to write some shell scripts in order to do this in an automated way. Okay.
Yeah, got it. So
Yeah. This is just
while
a for everyone.
starting it.
Yeah, if you
Yeah.
stop
Okay.
your Zookeeper or stop your Kafka, do this step and then only you can start it. Otherwise, you will face issues. Okay.
Yeah, sure. And we have to say Control C like, in the reverse order. You have to stop, right?
Yeah,
Or,
Control
or
C only. Control C only for stopping it. Okay.
so it should be in the same order, or it should be in reverse
No,
order.
any
Like
order will
first,
be fine. Any order will be fine. There is no order.
we can
But
stop
while
now.
starting the services, we need an order. First Zookeeper, then Kafka, and then create topics. That's it.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Yeah, that's all for today, and I will meet you everyone on Wednesday. But I recommend everyone to go through HTML, CSS, and a little bit JavaScript. Okay, so get back on Wednesday. We will start with Angular, but we will actually see if there are any issues related to Kafka, or if you're not getting or you are not able to see the messages, or if you're facing any technical issues, then probably you can reach out to me in Telegram. I will be able to respond. Or on Wednesday, we will just go through the Kafka again and we will see how it is actually working. If anyone has any concern. No strong JavaScript, just the basic JavaScript knowledge. That's it. Okay. And that's all for today. And have a great day and happy learning.